Okay, so I'm in the Irish Web Solutions site and I want to do some user testing. So at the top straight away I see home, SEO, social media, web video, blog, contact. Okay, so good. Get a real live user to test your website for free. Now, my issue with this a little bit is that this is one of the aspects of what Irish Web Solutions do. Now, we are Irish Web Solutions, just so you know. I've tested other websites and I want to test my own because you have to be fair and be as tough on yourself as you are on other people. So I'm testing the Irish Web Solutions site. Get a real live user to test your website for free. Great. That is a big part of the marketing, to have a user test, have us as users test your website. Now, the issue that I have is that's part of what we do, a small part of what we do. You can see to some extent other parts of what we do with SEO, social media, web video, blog at the top. But the one problem I have is there's not a lot of. We've been in business 15 years. We've done hundreds and hundreds of websites. We have done all kinds of programming and all kinds of SEO for people, and I'm not showing it here. I have years and years of experience. I'm not showing any of it here, which is a big problem, because someone is taking a look at this website to evaluate us. Let's say they haven't heard of us before. A lot of people probably have heard of Irish Web Solutions, but let's just say someone comes in, they haven't heard of us before. The evaluation is this website and only this website. The problem is that we're not given a very good view of ourselves. Now, I do like the simple message in the homepage. So there's a simple, one-line message in the homepage. That is good to some extent, but it's not what we are. We're not a user testing company as such. Now, the reason I like to, there has been tests done on the having sliders with a number of different messages on the homepage, 3 or 4 different messages sliding across, and there also have been tests without it. And in general, the tests with just one simple message always do better in user tests, and that's why I like one simple message on the homepage. You'll see Apple have a slider now. They didn't before, but the Apple Music is their main message here. So iPhone 6 to 2 and only. Mac light years ahead. The reason I'm looking at Apple is because Apple's branding is just amazing. They've put a lot of user testing into it. So the Apple Music is their main message, and you have other messages here at the bottom. So Apple would be the standard of structure. And I'm not talking about the design is great as well, but everybody has unique design, but structure and general marketing is important. I think what's important about Irish Web Solutions is Irish Web Solutions love entrepreneurs. Irish Web Solutions love free market, love business. We love to see the young guy coming out of school and starting a business. We love to see the 50-year-old guy who's been running businesses all his life, has had the ups and downs, has been kicked around by the recession. We love that guy, and we love all businesses. We love BNI, and what BNI stands for business. We love, that's what Irish Web Solutions are at its core. It's a support to entrepreneurs because we love entrepreneurs. But we're not shown that here in this homepage. I do like the squeeze page elements that people have to put their details in, but I think the user testing should probably maybe be a sub-page, and we should maybe have what we love about entrepreneurs on our homepage. We should probably have more video about entrepreneurs, and we should probably have details about each of the main services, which is web video, social media, and SEO. We should have them broken down on the homepage, maybe underneath, maybe a sub areas down here. We could have 4 areas down here, which is free user testing, SEO, social media, web video, and you can click in to get more details on each. The main area should be about entrepreneurs. Why we love entrepreneurs, and we can. The squeeze page is quite good, but it should probably be one of the sub pages. It should be a user testing sub page, and we also need we have great testimonials. We need our testimonials on it, and we also need our previous case studies should be all on this, because we have great previous case studies. We have a huge history, and that history should be shown within the site. So it's not. I like that the phone number's up the top right, and we have Facebook and Twitter. The links and the phone number and the logo are quite small to give the attention to the main area, which at the moment is live user testing, but it's actually got to be something to our entrepreneurs. That's what it's actually got to be there. And so yeah, because that's who we are. But I can send traffic to the user testing. If we're doing user testing, I can send traffic to the user testing page and use the squeeze page there to build our database and find people who we can help.